Vertical band sealer machine 10 kg. Connect the power cord to the connector. Plug in and switch on the main power. Turn on the emergency and other control buttons. Set the required temperature as per the pouch material. Features adjustable temperature settings compatible with laminated, foil, and pay pouches. Match the conveyor and sealing speed using the rotary knob. Ideal for packaging of sugar, flour, salt, rice, seeds, and chemicals. Take a pouch filled with flour. Adjust the height of the machine according to the pouch height. Its continuous sealing system enables fast and uninterrupted packaging. Place the pouch in the sealing area. As the pouch moves on the conveyor, sealing begins. Repeat the process for the next pouch. This machine is designed to vertically and securely seal heavy bags up to 10 kilograms. The machine's conveyor height and pressure can be adjusted as per the bag size and thickness. Now, your pouches are securely sealed.